I'm going to review a brand new software called VideoFX AI. This tool promises to make video creation super easy, even if you have no editing skills or technical experience. But before we dive into the main product and see exactly what it can do, I want to quickly talk about the exclusive bonuses you will get if you grab it through my link. I have handpicked some amazing tools, software, and training that will save you time, help you grow faster, and get the most out of your purchase. If you want to check out all the bonuses in detail, I have created a special bonus page for you. You can find the link in the video description below. Make sure to check it out so you know exactly what you are getting along with VideoFX AI. So now let's talk about what exactly is VideoFX AI. Well, it's an AI-powered app that can take any normal product image and instantly turn it into a UGC-style 4K cinematic video. UGC means user-generated content. And these types of videos are very popular right now because they look real, relatable, and they actually help in building trust with customers. The best part is you don't need to download or install anything. It's completely cloud-based, which means you can access it directly from your browser. Alright, in this part of the video, let me give you a full walkthrough of VideoFX AI and show you exactly how it works. Once you log in, you will land on a clean and simple dashboard. From here, you can do multiple things. Create AI-powered videos, generate avatars, make shorts, create images, transform one image into another, and even use ready-made templates. Everything you need is available in one place. Now let's try creating a video first. I will click on create video. Here you just need to enter your product name and if you want, add a short description. But even if you don't type the description, the AI will generate it automatically for you. After that, you upload your product image. For example, I have uploaded a charger here. You can also add details like price or any promo offers. Next, you can select an AI avatar from the list. These avatars will act like real presenters and explain your product in the video, complete with subtitles. Just click submit, wait a few seconds, and your professional video is ready. You can preview it in the browser or download it directly.
Power up your life with the Amazon Basics 65 watts Type-C Slim GAN charger. Tired of lugging around multiple bulky chargers? Meet the Amazon Basics.
What's impressive is how natural the AI presenter looks and sounds. For example, in my test, the avatar explained the features of the charger with subtitles and even had background changes, just like a real product ad, right? Next, let's check out the avatar generator. Here you just type a simple prompt like a realistic man holding a laptop in his hand. Click submit, and within seconds, the AI creates a high-quality avatar image for you. Then we have AI Shorts. This feature lets you create quick vertical videos just by typing a prompt. For example, I asked it to generate a short of a gorilla saying, "Subscribe to this YouTube channel." The result was an instant, ready-to-use short video. Just look at the result.
Like, share, subscribe.
You can preview it, download it, or even reuse in ads or social media. Moving on, there is the image generator. Here you can create unlimited AI images just by describing what you want. You can even choose styles, colors, and resolution. For example, I typed a dog and a cat hugging each other in bright colors. And the AI gave me a perfect image in seconds. If you already have an image and want to transform it, you can use the image to image feature. Just upload an existing picture and give a prompt, like changing a boy into a girl, and the AI will edit it for you automatically. Inside the editor, you will also find templates where you can quickly change text, add images, music, and voiceovers. You can integrate stock images and videos from sources like Pixels or upload your own files. Once your video is ready, you have multiple export options. Download it as a video, a GIF, or even just an image in formats like PNG or JPG. And that's the full demo of VideoFX AI. As you can see, it's a complete all-in-one platform to create high-quality UGC-style ads, product showcase, shorts, and AI images. Alright, now let's look at the pricing and funnel so you know exactly what you are getting and what optional upgrades are available. The front end is just $17 one-time price. This gives you access to the main software with all the core features like AI video creation, UGC style, voiceovers, captions, and the dashboard. Next, we have Audio 1 Unlimited, which costs $37. The front-end version might come with some users limit, but with this upgrade, you can create as many videos as you want without any restrictions. If you plan to use this tool regularly, this upgrade makes a lot of sense. Then there is OTO 2 Pro, priced at $47. The Pro version unlocks advanced tools and premium features that aren't included in the basic version. Moving on to OTO 3 DFI means done for you, which costs $67. With this upgrade, you get pre-made setups and templates that are already optimized. OTO 4 is Profit Templates, priced at $47. Gives you extra templates that are already proven to convert better. If your main goal is to create high converting ads and promos, these templates will save you a lot of testing and guesswork. Now comes OTO 5 10x traffic, also $47. Creating videos is one thing, but driving traffic to them is another challenge. This upgrade focuses on bringing you more viewers, leads, and sales by helping you promote your videos more effectively. With Audio 6 agency, which costs $97, you get the license to create and sell videos to clients as a service. If you're running or even planning to start an agency, this upgrade can turn VideoFX AI into a real income stream for you. Then we have Audio 7 Reseller, also priced at $97. This one is very interesting because it lets you resell the software itself as if it's your own product and keep 100% of the profits. Basically, you become the product owner, right? Finally, Audio 8 Live Workshop is available for $37. This is a live training session where the creators themselves teach you how to get the best results with VideoFX AI and, more importantly, how to monetize it effectively. And here is a quick bonus tip. You can use this coupon code at checkout to get an instant $3 discount on your purchase. So overall, the base software is very affordable and the upgrades are optional depending on your needs, whether you want unlimited use, more templates, extra traffic, or even a complete business opportunity with the agency or reseller, right? You can pick the upgrades that fit your goals. So here is my final verdict on VideoFX AI. If you're looking for a fast, easy, and beginner-friendly way to create high-quality cinematic UGC-style videos for your products, then this tool is definitely worth checking out. Another thing I like is that it comes with a money-back guarantee, which means your purchase is completely risk-free. If it doesn't deliver as promised, you can always ask it for a refund. So there is really nothing to lose here. If you want to try it out, I have dropped the link and the discount code in the description below. Make sure to use the coupon code to get an extra $3 off your purchase with all the exclusive bonuses. Go check it out, see how it works for you, and start creating professional UGC style videos today.